Hello YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Nunet 18-foot A-frame telescoping ladder with balance bars, wheels, and a toolbar. I just want you to know that it also acts as an extension ladder, or you can keep it as an A-frame ladder, collapsible to 39 inches. Has a little tool bag that comes with it, and we gotta put some things on. So there is some assembly required, and it will require a Phillips head screwdriver. Inside the box, this is basically zip tied, and it has these things stored in the middle. It comes with a warranty card and directions on how to install it. So part A was already done for us. It came like that with the orange foot pads on there, along with the side black box. All of these parts right here, they come in a separate plastic bag. Put these wheels on. We have to go from this side and put them in this middle there. The thing is about the wheels is that they have Phillips head screws, so you have to take those out. So you have to unscrew it, get this loose. It does have a little bolt in there, so be careful while you do that, because that will fall out. Open it up now. Hopefully not going to lose anything, because we have to get it on the bar. We're going to open up the wheels, put them on this way, and they're going to fit on the bar. Do that to the other side as well. You are going to have to support the ladder on something. Plastic tabs here. Don't know if you can see them. I think you can see them now. You're going to break those as you put these things in. It says break the plastic rivets, press down hard. You can see the wheels point out. So again, look at the orientation and make sure you have it right. It might be best to leave these unscrewed for now. You have to line up these holes with these holes right here. So it might be better to put the bar there, move the orange things over once they're gonna go against the big yellow poles of the ladder, and then adjust the wheels to go right near the orange thing. We're gonna push down and break these tabs. There you go. It takes a little force, but then you're fine. The other one slips in as well. Again, give it a little bit of force, not too much. You can hit it down with your hand, hit on the side. You want to line up that little hole in the aluminum there with this hole here, because we're going to screw it in next. They provide little wrenches for this. You install the screw rods and nuts to secure the balance bar. Take these screws and put them in. Inside, when you broke this whole plastic tabs, sometimes they're still in there. So if you don't line it up properly, it's probably because there's a little plastic tab in there. This thing that keeps it all together, and this is attached to the ladder. That keeps the rungs down. Start with the top, take it one rung at a time. And you can see that these little yellow clips are the things that lock. Has an unlock symbol there, but that's why you want to make sure that they lock in and push out. Even on the other side, you have the same thing. I'm going to keep going. So it's pretty easy to lift. Spread it out in the A-frame. Make sure all those little yellow clips are down and in the lock position. I have a little weight to it. I was able to lift this myself, but you can see that the ladder is well supported on those sides there. And you have these wheels, probably from when it's fully extended, to move it around. Make sure it says lock, because if not, it'll say unlock. Make sure the yellow clips go out, and if they don't, just pull it up a little bit and it'll lock in. That's the A-frame ladder right there. It's pretty tall. Now you can see why I wanted the ladder, because we move things around constantly in here. I'm about to do some of the gutters again, cleaning them out, and this is the options I have. We can use this, which will barely reach the top, or I can use the big extension ladder that I've been using. We clean out these gutters already over here. I had to mount this on the wall, which takes way more space in the garage. So this extension ladder is gonna make it so that I can easily access it and get things done. Unclip that so you can extend it. Gonna extend it as we go. Make sure that these lock in as you pull it up. Now that I've got all the rungs out, I'm just gonna pull it out till it clicks. Test it by pushing in, and it's good to go. This is actually more stable than my other older ladder. And I'm at a little bit of an angle here, so you have to be careful. It moves just a little bit, but doable. Clearly see up here, to be honest with you, they're not that dirty. There is standing water. We had like a torrential downpour the other day. I got to go down that way and clean out the downspout. I feel good. I'm not afraid of heights though, but if you're afraid of heights, it is very stable, and the stabilizers work just great. Now I am on a slight angle, so you'll see me go to the left more to balance it out. Oh, I hear the water coming down. Staying on the right side to balance it out. We're getting into a very tight space here. Move the ladder around, keep it extended. We're very careful to hit anything. Go up on the wheels. Move it around this way. So just take your time, think about where you're moving it, and then use the wheels to help you. Just to show you the tool bag, you want to be on the second rung from the top. It just velcros on, like so. The other one is too wide below it, but this is the one that's meant to go on. Just a little tool bag. Put some screwdrivers in there, wrenches, whatever you need. Tight spot again. We're going to do the lift up maneuver here. In the center, feel it out, and we're good. We're good. Let's go up. This side is clear. Let's check out the other down spot on the other side. That's it's pretty good actually. The orange feet help because they're in more, so they stabilize it that way as well. I'll show you how to fully extend the ladder. You have to release the hinge on top. Well, it's in the A frame. If I just tip it over on the side and do it while it's towards the ground. I'm gonna lift this up. Yep, and unlocks it. And then you're gonna just pull it out like this, fully extended. That's the tough part. Making sure it doesn't walk back into the A position. No, that's not that bad if you do it this way though. When you undo the hinges, it locks in like that. And then you can test it by picking it up and it's locked in. So that's your extension ladder. Let's try putting it up on the house. Flexing a little bit. I will pull too much. You can definitely hear that it's struggling more. This is doable. Is it as sturdy as an extension ladder? Not really. Am I afraid for my life? Not really. You can use this as an extension ladder. I think it's better as an A-frame though, to be honest with you. Pretty sturdy once you get here, but the thing's it flexes a little bit in the middle. There you go, I feel a lot better now. It evens out. It's all about equilibrium. You can use it like an extension ladder. You can hear 2 clicks and it goes up. And I'm going to keep going so that goes past that and go straight up. You want to start at the bottom side, we'll unlock it. This side will unlock. So you have to get both sides. Stand on the side here, hold it up here, 1 rung above the rung that's going to go down. You don't want to get your hands caught. There you go. It will eventually get there. Just keep them unlocked. And there you go. Now let's go back to being compact. We got the supplied belt. And you can loosen it up, but I keep it where it is. Now the ladder's ready for transport. You have the wheels. And you wheel it out to where you need it. Easy transport with the wheels. Basically, these are your 3 options for ladders. An extension ladder, your regular 6-foot A ladder, or you can get the all-in-one compact folding ladder. Each one has its pros and cons. The extension ladder can reach high places, very stable once you get it in place, especially with the feet. And I like that it has the stabilizer bar on top. It's difficult to store because it's huge. Even folded up, you need to place on the wall or something to put it there. Your regular A-frame ladder, very lightweight, very portable, lighter than this or this, has a place to put stuff when you're working, but stays in that shape, can't be put in a car, and can be less stable than this or that because it's shorter and lightweight. Doesn't have a lot of weight to the bottom, and you have to be careful where you place it. Telescoping ladder, easily portable with the wheels, compact to store, can fit in the back of a car, perfect for A-frame usage. A little heavier than that, but perfect because it's very stable and the stabilizers help it out. The wheels help it out to move it around in place. You can lift it like I showed you, as long as you get in the middle and move it around in difficult places. This can turn to an extension ladder, but not as stable as a regular, and it's harder to put up because you don't have a rope to extend it. The A-frame is where this is at, if you ask me. Very stable, you can move it around, do what you need to do. Extension ladder, I'd use it in a pinch, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'd rather go for the full-out extension ladder to be more safe. That's my personal opinion. Overall, would I buy a telescoping ladder? Yeah, I would, because honestly, it's gonna be a lot easier to put around the house. Pros about the telescoping ladder: compact, A-frame, perfect usage, easy to move around in the A-frame, stores up compact, has wheels to move it around, stabilizers are great, on the ground that is. Cons about the telescoping ladder: not as stable if you're going to use it as an extension ladder. Doesn't have these stabilizers on top. It'd be awesome if there was some way to get stabilizers on the top. The locks there, a lot of people complain about these. I'm going to be honest with you, I found it easy to use those. The thing is that when you're making the ladder compact, you might have to make sure they're loosened up again on all four sides. But the thing is, that's a safety feature if you think about it. Keep your hands on top. Have to be very careful when you fold this thing up. Look how compact it is versus your other two options. I found it easier to use the telescoping ladder when cleaning the gutters because it was more stable and I could move around to where I wanted to instead of trying to navigate that in and that. So it's kind of a happy medium, and I'll be using this in the future. This is good for around the house and outside. Overall, perfect A-frame ladder, highly portable, compact to store, has a little more weight than your typical A-frame ladder. Works great, to be honest with you, even on uneven surfaces. If you would like to purchase your NewNet telescoping ladder, please look for the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And while you're down there, put in a comment or two and push that bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.